Hello, if you're watching this screen recording, you are in 8th grade or you are an 8th grade advisor. This screen recording is just designed to give you a visual aid in terms of how to transfer the courses you've signed up for on your course planning worksheet into the hub. So you can see up here in the upper right hand corner, I'm logged in as an 8th grade student. I'm going to click on My Day to get you to the home screen that most of you see when you log into the hub. This looks a little bit different than what you will see because I'm, again, logged in just as a fake generic 8th grade student. Once you're on this screen, you want to click on Course Requests. Next thing you want to do is make sure you read these 4 directions right here. The first one being selecting 9th grade, which is the grade you'll be in 2017-2018. Click Request next to the courses that you have indicated in your course selection worksheet. I'll show you how that works. The third instruction is an instruction to add alternate requests. I'll walk you through that in the screen recording as well. And then maybe one of the more important things to remember is to click Save, which is in the lower right-hand corner, periodically throughout the time that you're entering these requests. Do not exit from the hub until you've clicked on Save to make sure everything you've entered is there when you come back. So you'll see that the screen is divided into the courses that you can take here on the left-hand side in 9th grade to the courses that you are signing up for called Selected Requests here on the right-hand side. So really you're just taking courses from the left-hand side, selecting them, and they'll end up over here in your request on the right-hand side. You'll see under Selected Requests that there are 4 classes already here. These are mandatory for all 9th graders. They're pre-populated. There's no need to add them. You'll all take Foundations of Fitness in the second semester. You'll take a year-long class in Social Studies, a year-long class in English 9, and then you'll take the 9th grade seminar in the first semester. Again, no need to sign up for anything. These are pre-populated for you. So if I'm going to choose my language, I'm going to go over here and say that I want to take Chinese 1. So I click over Chinese 1, click Request. You'll see it pops over here to the right side under Selected Requests. For geometry, I want to be considered for advanced geometry, so I request that. Again, pops over here to the right. And then for biology, I want to do regular biology, hit request, and it pops over here to the right. If I'm interested in taking Charter Singers, which is our course, you would select that here, MU910. If you're interested in taking band, symphonic band, MU940, you would request that here. If you're not doing band or chorus and you would like to take an elective in religion, visual arts, or performing arts in the second semester, you can do that over here as well. So let's say that I want to take songwriting in the second semester. I see songwriting semester 1, songwriting semester 2. I request semester 2. You see it pops over here. You want to make sure that whenever you are selecting an elective to provide alternates. And so the easiest way to select alternates is to find the course that you want to be an alternate. So in this case, I'm going to select semester 2 rock and roll and not hit request, but hit this arrow. And you'll see that I can create it as an alternate for any of these classes, but in this case, it's going to be an alternate for songwriting. So scroll down, click on songwriting, and you see it pops over there. We were asking that you have at least 2 alternate requests, so I'm going to pick a different alternate for semester 2. I'm going to choose public speaking, again, as an alternate for songwriting. Come back over here to see songwriting as my selection. First alternate is rock and roll, second alternate is public speaking, and I can change the order of these by clicking on these arrows. So if I'd like public speaking to be my first alternate, I can pop that up, and subsequently I can move it back down. Again, I want to click Save just to make sure everything that I've entered is saved. And you'll notice a few different things. One is that you can click on any of these red X's to remove a course. Again, make sure you save afterwards. There's also a yellow icon here, a note icon. If you want to make any note to the registrar that you want the registrar to see, you would write it next to the course about which you have a comment. So let's say for songwriting, I'm going to click on the note. I'm just going to provide an example. This is a note. I'm going to click on Save, and you'll notice that the pencil icon appears over the yellow note icon, indicating that a note has been sent to the registrar. Again, you need to make sure to hit Save after that. A key thing to remember is that anything that appears in the Selected Request column needs to match the Course Planning Worksheet, which has been signed by you, a parent guardian, and your advisor, that the Selected Request here matches that Course Planning Worksheet. You're just transferring that information into the hub, making sure you click Save, and then you're well on your way to forming your schedule for your 9th grade year.